Hey everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing the Infinity Cube. So this is good for those with anxiety or just something to fidget with. It's a type of fidget toy. So we're going to go ahead. It is a choking hazard, not for children under 3, so keep that in mind. So this is what you get. And as you can see, it never ends. You can do all kinds of turning. Is this not cool or what? So this is one of those things that really can help you take your mind off of different stressful situations. You just kind of play with it. And as you can see, why it's called Infinity Cube, it's because it never ends. No matter how you play with it. So that is what it looks like.